right, y'all. So in this video today, we are looking at the SPY S&P 500 ETF, and on the 5-minute chart, y'all, just looking at how the SPY ran today. It has been moving sideways since about, I say about 110. Well, actually, it ran up here. Let's look about 105. So about 105 here, 110 here. This is the 5-minute chart again. From 105 to about 225, the SPY went nowhere. It literally went sideways. So when I see this, one, you don't want to trade it if you are trading options, because you're just going to lose money, waste money, right? And so I would watch to see if the SPY is going to break out of this range. And when I say break out of this range, that gray line that you see at the top is the Fibonacci line that's automatically generated on my charts. So I will put a line right here to let me know, a price line right here to let me know that high, and then I will put a price down about here to let me know that low. So basically, SPY has been trading within this, from this high to this low, for over an hour. And I needed to find out when, or I wanted to see when it was going to break that place. So, or that would have let me know that, oh, it's okay for me to go ahead and try to trade it to whatever direction that it chooses. But the thing is, I don't know what that direction is. So instead of just watching this, I could have set an alert that if SPY breaks above this place here, let me know so that I can trade it to the upside. Or if the SPY trades below this line here, let me know so that I can trade it to the downside. Well, looking at the 5-minute chart still, the 5 and the 50 crossed here, and we have a crossing or touching here on the MACD, which lets me know that SPY was getting ready to go down or going down. So I entered a put here. And I'm glad I did, because I made a nice profit going down here, but I didn't trade this. And that's the most important thing, the not trading the sideways movement or the consolidation type thing. But look what SPY did. For a while, it just, again, that's a little too big. For a while, it just really went sideways, nowhere at all. And then all of a sudden, you know, it came down. It found support on this 50 EMA on the 30-minute chart, and it had a nice bounce up. A lot of buyers came in right here and took it right back up. And right now, we're at the 20 EMA. Will the SPY continue back to the downside? We are a day before a holiday. Chances are there may be a sell-off. Then again, we don't know. We trade what we see, right? So the most important thing is to pay attention to what your charts are telling you, and not to go, you know, on a I guess or I think. What are the charts showing you? It showed me here that SPY did not have a direction. I don't trade unless it's an up direction or a down direction. And once it showed me what it wanted to do, that's when I got into the downside. So let's say I was in this to the downside and it gave me signals that it was going to go back to the upside. I would have gotten out. I wouldn't have stayed in the trade thinking that, okay, it could possibly go back to the downside. That is true. It could do that. But I don't want to waste money until it decides, you know, I don't want to wait and give back. Let's say that. I don't want to give back what I just made. So yeah, I hope this is helpful. Pay attention to what you see on your charts, and don't be excited or anxious to just jump in. I always say this like playing double dutch. You don't want to just get in. You want to have a reason to why you get in. Ask yourself, what's my why? And once it goes against your why, that's when you get out of the trade. So the SPY was moving sideways for a long time here. And let's go back and look at the beginning. If we would have took that SPY, I did take a SPY put this morning here, and my reason is because it looked like it was going to the downside. This was for a quick scalp. I think I was looking at the 1-minute chart at the time, and that will probably be, yeah, let's go back. So I took a quick scalp this morning to the downside, and this double bottom here lets me know that there could very well be a reversal to the upside, and the 5 and the 50 did cross to the upside. SPY did go up, find some rejection, resistance here, got rejected and came back down. It's just that up and down, and see how it went consolidated again. It gave you a little indication like it wanted to go up, and guess what? It did not. It still came back down to the downside. So these type of things here, you have to What's your plan? Are you going to go in for a scalp? Are you going to go in for a longer term trade? So when it's like this, I'm definitely scalping in and out, in and out. And those double bottoms here, signal of reversal, just like the double tops or signal of reversals. Find your entry, get in, get out, make your money, get in, get out. You don't want to overstay your welcome, and that's where a lot of times we mess it up. I've messed it up in so many times, let me say that, so many times. I've been in profit and thinking, oh, it could continue on, or it could keep going down, and guess what? It went against me really, really quick, and I end up losing what profit that I did have. That was a painful lesson that I've learned, and I'm willing to teach you so that you don't go through the same mistakes that I went through. Yeah, I hope this is helpful, y'all. Pay attention to the SPY. Pay attention to what you see. Watch those consolidations. I like breakouts. I really do, because you can clearly, it gives me a clear signal as to which direction it chose from going sideways. Had it gone to the upside, that would have been my upside movement, my call. And it chose to the downside, so I chose a put. But I waited, and that's the thing with trading, y'all. A lot of people don't want to wait. You've got to wait on your setup. Wait until you see wait until your strategy is clear, your why is clear. Otherwise, you're going to lose money every time. So look for those consolidations. Don't trade them. Wait until it gives you a direction, and you trade that direction. Yeah, I hope this is very, very helpful for you. I say stick around, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff, so we can learn and grow together. I am Miss Dee Dee here at the Filling Station. Y'all have an amazing day today on purpose.